What's going on? It's your boy DJ Nightmare, and this is another installment of Master of the Mix Drinks. And today we're going to be making one of the bar's classic cocktails. It's called the Liquid Marijuana, and you see we got a lot of liqueurs and liquors, but it's really not that much of an expensive drink because you're only using 3/4 of the 5 liquors. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is your Malibu rum. Love Malibu. It'll get you where you want to be relatively quickly. You feel me? 3/4 of an ounce. You're going to need 3/4 of melon liqueur because it'll get you where you want to be as well, and it's going to make your drink green. You know what I'm saying? Shannon was shaking her head, so I was like, what was that? I did good. All right, you're going to need 3/4 of this blue curacao. You feel me? 3/4 of an ounce. You're going to need the spiced rum. It's going to give you that flavor that you're looking for. That's going to cover up all of the sweet stuff that's in this drink. You're going to need, this is a special Shannon addition to the Liquid Marijuana. It's peach schnapps. It's going to give you that nice little fruity little twang to it. 3/4 of an ounce of that as well. And just to give it some sweet and sour, you're going to need a full ounce of sweet and sour. 1 full ounce of the sweet and sour. Boom. And you're going to need 1 ounce of Everfresh premium orange juice. Not so much premium, but definitely orange juice. It's pineapple juice? Damn it! Alright. And you're going to need 1 ounce. You're going to need 1 ounce of Everfresh premium pineapple juice because it's not orange juice. Boom. All you're going to do, real simple, you're going to take some ice. You're going to put it into your shaker. More ice. You could never have too much ice. So now that you got all of your ingredients in the shaker, all you want to do is put a nice glass on top. Remember to hold it firm at the top and at the bottom. Shake it real good. You feel me? And there you go. A delicious liquid marijuana.